This is the new Oral-B toothbrush that we've started using with Jack for brushing his teeth. And what it does, it connects via Bluetooth to his Apple iPhone and can connect to Android as well. And it calibrates on his face. And the position of the toothbrush is used to see, as it's rolling around on his mouth, the phone is monitoring his mouth and the position of the toothbrush to make sure that that cheek side, the top surface and the tongue side of each area of every tooth within his mouth have been completely cleaned before it goes white and says he's completed it 100%. And he can't stop brushing until it's done, and it stores 20 days worth of data, so we can go back and look at it to make sure he's brushed them twice a day. So we don't have to monitor him anymore because his iPhone tells us what he's done.